what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I know it's been a while since I posted, but life happens. There was a lot going on this year. It was very hectic, and I did get to shoot a couple videos. I just never got around to editing them. And when I actually went to go review the footage, because I wanted to put something out before the year's out, half the footage I shot is scrub. This is why you don't shoot things and then let it sit. You gotta look at it right away. But this video was originally going to be a wheel reveal, but I also had another video that I was going to follow up with an install it for an exhaust system, but figured we could cram them both into this video, seeing as I lost most of the footage anyway. So I'll show you the wheels, and I'll talk about the specs that I have on the car now. But I also switched exhausts, so I went from the Invidia Q300 to the Invidia Q400. The Q300 is a great daily exhaust. It's nothing loud, it's nothing aggressive, it's quite tame. It has a deeper tone, but to me it's a quiet exhaust. It's perfect for daily driving when you don't want to have drone, you want to listen to music, you want to just relax, I guess, but still have a different tone and the cosmetic looks. It's a great exhaust for that. But after running it for about a year and a half, I wanted something with a little more volume. I love the Q300, but at the same time, I wanted just a little more volume, but I don't want anything as aggressive as the Tomei or any of the single exit exhausts, actually. To me, the quad tip dual exhaust, that's the way to go in this car. It looks so much cleaner, doesn't draw that much attention, and the sound to me sounds better. It's more, you get that aggressive tone, but it's less raspy for sure. So looked at a bunch of exhausts. I was actually considering the Grimspeed. That's a $1,500 exhaust, and the videos and reviews I looked at, it didn't sound like it was going to be that much more louder than the Q300, and I did want something with a bit more volume. So after looking at a crap ton of exhausts, because there are a lot of different exhausts for this car, I went with probably one of the most #1 recommended exhausts from folks, and that's the Invidia Q400. The tone on that exhaust, on this exhaust, to me, it's perfect for anyone that wants a bit of volume. It's definitely not quiet, but it's nowhere obnoxious. I could drive, I can have a casual conversation with the person next to me. I can still listen to music. It's not obtrusive at all, in my opinion, and it sounds great outside, that's for sure. There's tons of videos that'll give you sound tests. I'll try to throw in the difference in just the startups from the Q300 and the Q400 right here. Had the most reviews. It's been out for a while. There's tons of clips on it with how this exhaust sounds, and to me, I wanted to give it a try. Figure this one is about a little over 1,000. You could get some deals out there where you'll get it just under 1,000, but for the most part, I am very happy with this switch over. I've had it on this car now for I want to say 6 months plus now, and the sound, just listen. I don't know if the mic on this camera is picking it up, but I really like the sound. The tone, it's aggressive when you put your foot down. When you're cruising, it's not that bad. The drone, there is slight drone. I took this on like a 3-hour drive to Connecticut. Cruising speeds, it's a very slight drone, but it's nothing that's like, oh my god, or ear piercing. It was me and my wife, and she didn't complain about it, so that's a good sign. And we basically took it out there for a good run. The exhaust sounds great, especially in open road. Definitely, you hear it in tunnels. It sounds amazing. But that's the inner 5-year-old, and pretty much anyone that runs an exhaust, you have a tunnel, of course you're gonna floor it. And the tone is great. So the Q400, in my opinion, if you want something that is not as quiet as a 300, but nowhere as ridiculous as a Tomei. The Q400 is the place to be. To me, it had a great balance of tone, a great balance of deepness, and it's nowhere as obnoxious when you're on the road or if you're on a long cruise. So very happy with the Q400. Install was simple. There's tons of videos out there on how to do these installs. I actually have footage that I could share with you. I don't know if anyone's even interested because there's just so many videos. I figure just giving you my thoughts on the Q300 versus the Q400 would be more impactful. But if you guys are interested in seeing an install video, let me know. I do have the footage. I can put that up. Just comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. But I'll show you guys what the car looks like outside. As far as the wheels go, I made the switch. Love my ESRs, love the look of the lip, but I wanted something just a little, well, here's the wheel, my favorite wheel of all of them, some Rays. I went with the Graham Lights 57s. In my opinion, one of the cleanest looking rims out there. I know everyone's a fan of the TEs, but I am not spending freaking $3 grand on a set of rims. Like I mentioned, I have other responsibilities. For you guys that can do that, more power to you. But the Graham Lights, they weren't that bad. It was like 1,600 bucks for the rims alone. Beautiful looking rim. I actually got it in the blue. I can't remember the exact color. It's kind of like a mix between a gunmetal and a blue, but pretty damn good. And it works good. It works well with the Rally Blue, in my opinion. They took forever to get, because rims or any car parts right now, if anyone is looking for car parts, you'll know just about everything's out of stock. It took 6 months for these to actually come in, and I think Subaru was the first guys to have them available, so I jumped on it right away the second they came in, and extremely happy with them. I went with 18 by 9.5 with a 38mm offset, which in the WRX, I'd say 15 to 20. That's the ideal setup. No need for roll-in or no rubbing. The tires I'm running is a 255/35 18. I do plan when I switch them out, I'm running the Achilles ATR Sport. It's a good price tire, decent tire, nothing special really. So yeah, so those are the tire specs. Really happy with it. Love the way it looks. There's a couple mods that I've already done to the car that I'll show you. I'll have some more videos going more into detail on a couple other items that I've done. Next year, I plan on doing way more shit, free up in time and actually have. And this is, like I mentioned, a pretty quick video. So let's hop outside and I'll show you the wheel setup. Alright guys, apologize for the noise, but let's take a look at the rims. There we have it. These are Graham Lights 57s in the blue. I switched out the rotors. You'll see that video soon. Here's what it looks like from the front. Nice and flush. Very happy with that. Different look than the ESRs for sure. I do miss having the double lip, but this is a different look, much more aggressive, and I really like it. Definitely happy with that. Give you a closer look. Show you the back. Sun is ridiculously sharp today. And this is the exhaust. Burn tip. Pokes out just the right amount. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. New exhaust, new wheel setup. Very happy with both of them. More to come for sure, and I'll try to get some more videos out there quickly. Appreciate all the new subscribers that have joined the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.